My name's Howard Cotler, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon who's specially trained in spine care. I've been practicing here in Houston, Texas for the past 30 years in various forms. I've worked for the university, I've worked in a group practice, and I've been in solo practice. I grew up north in the cold area, and we subsequently moved down here to the south and just thoroughly enjoyed taking care of the patients here. I was born in Philadelphia. I spent the first few years there while my dad was in medical school and doing his residency. After that, we went back to his hometown, which was Bridgeton, New Jersey. Bridgeton was 40 miles due west of Atlantic City, very rural community, and that's why New Jersey is called the Garden State, because there was nothing but farms, and actually my grandfather was a rancher in New Jersey. So we grew up in a small rural area and then went off for education. I have a lot of hobbies. Medicine's my #1 hobby. After that, I enjoy playing golf. I enjoy exercising, working out. I enjoy writing, research, things like that. I grew up in Bridgeton, New Jersey, but I went to high school at a boarding school in Western Pennsylvania called Mercersburg Academy. And that's where I really developed a lot of my writing skills, things like that, because it was a very interesting place to go to school. It was very isolated, a lot of winter, a lot of cold and wet, so you had to really focus on your studies. After that, I went to George Washington University, where I went to college, and I specialized in zoology. My second major, if you will, was in literature or writing, creative writing. After that, I went to Jefferson Medical College in Philadelphia, where I got my MD degree. Following that, I did my surgical internship at Emory University, Grady Memorial Hospital in Atlanta, Georgia. Then I went and did a residency at Thomas Jefferson University Hospital back in Philadelphia. Following that, I did 2 fellowships, one at Northwestern University in Chicago, where I did an acute spinal cord injury or spine trauma fellowship. Then my last fellowship was at University of Washington Harborview Medical Center in Seattle, Washington, where I did an orthopedic traumatology fellowship. So as I like to tell people, when you can't keep a job, you got to keep moving around. And actually it was really great because I got a really good perspective about how the country is and how practice can differ in different parts of the country. After that, I got recruited to University of Texas Medical School in Houston, where I was a faculty member for 5 years. Then following that, I was in a group practice with Texas Back Institute, where I was the medical director and founding partner of the practice here in Houston. And then for the past 20 years, I've been in solo private practice. So that's sort of a magical mystery tour through Howard's healthcare.